This video is about HTML formatting. Formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. In this video, we are going to discuss the following formatting elements, that is the bold text, important text, italic text, emphasized text, marked text, smaller text, deleted text, inserted text, subscript text, and superscript text. Now let's see how the text will appear on the browser if we use the following formatting elements. So in this HTML file, in the body section, I have included all the formatting elements that we just discussed. So the first line displays bold text. The HTML element defines bold text without any extra importance, and on the browser it is going to look like this. So as I said, the first line displays bold text. The next formatting element is the strong element. The HTML strong element defines text with strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold, and it looks like this on the browser. Next element is the italic text. The HTML element defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mood. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. The I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, etc. And on the browser it looks like this. Then the fourth line displays emphasized text. The HTML element defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. A screen reader will pronounce the words in EM with an emphasis using verbal stress. And on the browser it looks like this. The fourth line displays emphasized text. Next we have is the small element. The HTML small element defines smaller text, and this is how it is going to look on the browser. The fifth line. Next element is the mark element. The HTML mark element defines text that should be marked or highlighted. The sixth line displays mark element. As you can see, the word milk is marked with the color yellow, because we have written milk inside the mark opening and closing tag. Then we have the delete element. The HTML delete element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. As you can see, the word blue has been cancelled with a line. Next element is the insert element. The HTML INS element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers will usually underline inserted text. So over here the word red has been inserted. As you can see, the word red is written inside the opening and closing insert element. Then we have the subscript element. The HTML subscript element defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. So as you can see, the word subscripted is written inside the subscript opening and closing tag, and that is why it is written half a character below the normal line. And lastly, we have the superscript text. The HTML superscript element defines superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. And this is how it looks on the browser. So I hope from this video you have learned the different formatting elements that you can use in your HTML file. Thank you.